Here's a quick lesson on how to create a box plot. So a box and whisker plot, what it does is it takes your data and it divides it up into 4 parts. Those 4 parts might not seem equal because like if we look at the box plot in the picture here, it looks like they're all different sizes, but the amount of data that's within each of these sections is 25%. It just means that this 25% here is more spread out than this 25% here, but it breaks up into 25%. So in order to make a box plot like the one you see here, you just need to follow these steps. So step 1, you're going to take your data and you are going to put it in order. So the data that's given here is the ages of women's wheelchair basketball team and their ages, and they're randomly distributed. So I'm going to pause this video and put this data in order from least to greatest. Okay, so now I put my data in order from least to greatest, and I realize there's 12 sets of data. So there's 12 pieces of data, there's 12 women here. So I'm gonna start with the easy ones, the min. So the min and the max are the smallest data and the largest data. So the min and the max, so 18 and 30. Then I'm going to find the median. So the median is the middle. So if there's 12 numbers here, I'm going to count in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the lower 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is the upper 6. And the median is right between them. So the median here, I would add 25 plus 25 and divide by 2. And that gives me a median of 25. Which makes sense because there's no number between 25 and 25. So now I'm going to find another median. I'm going to find the median of the lower half. So the median divides our data in half. So I'm going to divide each half in half to get fourths. So there's 6 numbers here, so I'm going to count in 3. 1, 2, 3. So here's 3 and then 3 on this side. So our median would be right in the middle here between 22 and 24. I can add those numbers together. 22 plus 24 is 46. Divided by 2 is 23. Or I can just know that, between 22 and 24 is 23. And then we're going to find the median of the upper half. So these 6 numbers, I'm going to count in 3 and count in 3. And the median here would be, the median would be between these. So 28 plus 30 would give me 58. Divided by 2 is 29. So you take these 2 numbers, you add them, divide by 2. That gives me the median. So when I draw in these median lines, see how there's 3 numbers in between each of them? So I divide them up into 4 equal parts. So I'm sorry this is crooked, but so now that I have my 5-number summary, 18, 23, 25, 29, and 30, I'm going to take those numbers and I'm going to put little dashes above the number line where each of those numbers are. These are the only numbers from my data set that I have to graph. So the box plot is what connects the quartiles. So the box goes around the Q1 and the Q3. So it connects the Q1 to the Q3. And then the median will be the line inside that box. The whiskers are the parts that extend from the lower quartile to the min and the upper quartile to the max. So this is the box plot that matches the data above. And when we look at it, we realize that the upper 25% is probably clustered the most together, whereas the lower 25% is much more spread out. And the middle ages, the middle 50%, what's inside the box, right? This part here, this middle 50% are between the ages of 23 and 29. So now we're just going to find the IQR. The IQR is the range, but only for the quartiles. So it's the Q3 minus the Q1. So 29 minus 23. So the middle 50% has a range of 6. So the middle 50% is 6 years apart. So in general, how you make a box plot is you just need to put your data in order from least to greatest. Then you find the min and max so that you can find the median. Once you find the median, that breaks your data in half, and you find the median of the lower half and the median of the upper half. Those are the 5 numbers you graph. Just put the dashes down. you connect the middle 3 dashes, like with a box, and extend whiskers out to the other 2 dashes, and then you'll have your box spot. Thanks.